All right, if you're using Twitter automations in Make.com, I have a very important update for you. Okay, if you followed the instructions that Make sent out a couple weeks ago, where you created an app, but it is not connected to your project in the Twitter developer console, then you still have access to the API version 1.1. And that means everything should continue to work as it's supposed to. However, if you connect the app to your project, that automatically gives you access to Twitter version 2. And it's important to note that if you are using Twitter version 2 API, the only module in Make that you can use is the Create a Tweet v2 module, unless you're paying for the next tier up for the API. The free tier can only create tweets. So if you are using the API for any engagement bots that search for tweets or search for users, you will either need to continue using v1.1 or upgrade your Twitter API account to the $100 a month account. The free account allows you to create up to 1,500 tweets a month, but there are some really cool features for the v2 Twitter API on Make.com I want to show you, because even though it is $100 a month, this could really crank up your engagement automations. Check it out. First, we have a new ACID trigger, watch tweets. I think that's really helpful because then you don't have to put it on a timer. And then watch retweets is also an ACID trigger, as well as watching new likes and watching private messages, watching tweet lists and mentions. The fact that you can trigger a scenario based on all of this activity means that if you decided to pay for the $100 a month plan, you could really crank up your engagement. You could watch certain users' activities and always be the first to respond to their tweets. You could also always be on top of anybody that retweets you. So for a Twitter power user, it might be worth the $100 a month.